Any challenge that we faced with the other MDM solution, I would just sit at my desk and be smug and go, well, Jamf doesn't do that. And it's true, it works in Jamf and it wasn't working in the other solution. So Travis County, we encompass the city of Austin, surrounding areas within Travis County, but our main focus for my team is to go through and manage every device. Our users are so varied. We have people that, work in our parks department, work on the roads. We have health and human services, we have sheriff's department, we have constables, we have courts. We have all this diverse group, and a lot of them don't have their own IT people. We had everything in an MDM solution, literally everything. It was in the same solution. Originally in 2019, we did have Jamf. Jamf came, did 2 weeks with us, set everything up. A year later, we let it lapse because the MDM solution we got was basically given to us free as a package, and you can't beat free. And then we came back around actually in 21 because we had an issue with the MDM solution and some iPads. We would open tickets, we'd have meetings, we have a standing meeting with this company every week about other issues. Nothing ever gets resolved, and so it became too much of a pain point to stay. They were like, well, what do we do? And I was like, we gotta go back to Jamf. That's the option.
Once we decided to make the switch over to Jamf, it was a matter of how are we going to do that without disrupting the user. We reached out to Jamf to see if there was a way to do that. They gave us a demo for the Jamf Migrate application configuration. We looked at the process. You literally load the app, have people click a button, and then they're in Jamf. It takes no more than 5 minutes per user. Doing the migration, super simple, very few tickets. The amount of things that we can do and change on the fly to support our users and customers, it is very much a welcomed experience, and it's something I recommend fully.
With our other MDM, we assigned apps. We didn't have anything in self-service, and being able to put all of the apps in self-service and then even containerizing some of them and say, okay, only these groups, but it's still self-service so that they're only getting the apps they need. They just get to pick what they want and what they need on their phone. And that's made a lot of people happier because now they don't have all these apps, they don't know what they do.
We can definitely see the difference between the devices that are in Jamf as far as support, especially with those remote actions and everything like that. It's kind of night and day, or not kind of, it is night and day. All I gotta say is it's worth it. It's definitely worth it for sure.
I don't have to get into Jamf every day, it just works. The biggest thing is just Jamf listening to us and respecting our opinion on what we think things should be doing versus other MDM products, and them acknowledging that and actually making changes. And we love that about Jamf. That's the best thing.